Hello everyone, in this lecture I am going to explain you about repeated substring pattern. So here coming to a question, given a string S, check if it can be constructed by taking a substring of it and appending multiple copies of the substring together. So coming to example 1, here the given input for this string AB. So we need to find out the substring is repeating or not. It is showing true. Explanation, it is substring AB repeat twice. And here coming to example 2, ABA, it is showing false. Why? This AB is not repeating twice. The substring was not repeating twice, so it is showing false. Coming to this example 3, in this string they mention ABC, 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 ABC. So it is showing true. Why? It is a substring ABC repeated 4 times. So here, how can we find that input? It is true or false. Now I will explain. So here in this class we will create one method, repeated substring pattern. In this I will mention string str equal to s plus s, and here in the return statement I will mention this string name str dot substring here start to end 1 comma str dot length -1 dot contains here the string s. So we'll check it will work or not. Yeah, accepted. So here in this class we created one method. In this method I just assign this s plus s to string str, and here in this return statement I mentioned string dot substring. What is substring? Yeah, the substring method extracts the character from a string between two specified indices and returns the new substring. This method extracts the character in a string between start and end, not included and itself. It will just extract the characters from start to end. That's the meaning of substring. So here by using this string dot substring I initialize start to end, and I'm comparing that with this string s. So it can able to find out the string is repeating twice or not. The substring is repeating twice or not, it will identify. In this test case they give an input AB. So here I will mention again AB. Now I will check whether this will be a substring or not. Yes, it is showing true. And again I will change this test case. If I mention over here ABC, now we'll check it is satisfying to the condition of repeated substring pattern or not. Yeah, it is showing false. I will submit this code now. We'll check the result. It will be accepting or not. Yeah, success. So if you have any queries, you can mention your doubts in commentary section, and please do like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.